Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. An open rectangular tank 5 meter into 4 meter into 3 meter height containing water up to a height of 2 meters is accelerated horizontally along the longer side. A. Determine the maximum acceleration that can be given without spilling the water. B. Calculate the percentage of water spilt over if this acceleration is increased by 20%. C. If initially the tank is closed at the top and is accelerated horizontally by 9 meters per second square, find the gauge pressure at the bottom of the front wall of the tank. Take G is equal to 10 meters per second square. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हमें की कॉन्सेप्ट देखना है. The key concept of this question is relation between pressure and acceleration. So we know that pressure is force per unit area. This is F by A. अगर हम force को mass times acceleration लिखेंगे divided by A, then the mass of the fluid can be written in terms of the density of the fluid, the volume of the fluid. So this is rho V A divided by the area of cross section. तो अगर हम डायमेंशनली इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे then the pressure will be equal to rho H into A, जहाँ पे rho है density of the fluid, H है height of the fluid, and A is the acceleration. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो मेन क्वेश्चन में डिटेल्स दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे, फिर सब पार्ट जो क्वेश्चन है उसको डिटेल्स नोट करके सॉल्व करेंगे. सो गिवन dimensions of the tank, so that is 5 meters into 4 meters into 3 meters. So if you have to draw the diagram tank का, तो ये लेंथ है 5 meters, width है 4 meters, और height 3 meters. तो इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करके we can just have a two-dimensional diagram. तो क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं कि the height of the fluid is 3 meters, height of the 2 meters, height of the tank is 3 meters, ये लेंथ हुआ 5 मीटर. तो टैंक को लेट अस से इस डायरेक्शन में एक्सेलरेट कर रहे हैं, तो वी ऑल्सो हैव एन एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी विच इज़ डाउनवर्ड्स. सो गिवन डायमेंशंस ऑफ द टैंक, height of the fluid or height of the water, you can say H is 2 meters. First of all, we know that this maximum acceleration which this tank can have, ताकि पानी टैंक से बाहर ना आए, so that is essentially limited by this height which is 1 meter. जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, पानी का हाइट बस 2 मीटर है. सो ये जो बचा 1 मीटर है, दैट essentially is the limiting height which will determine the maximum acceleration. So let us say अगर हम इसको एक यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, so then essentially this tan theta will be equal to the total height of the tank minus the air column divided by 5, which is 2/5। और हम ये भी जानते हैं कि tan theta is also equal to a by g. Therefore, a by g is equal to 2/5, and we will get a is equal to 0.4 g. तो क्वेश्चन में दिए है कि g is 10 meters per second squared. So therefore, the maximum acceleration is given by 4 meters per second square. तो ये है मैक्सिमम एक्सेलरेशन जिसके ज़रिए पानी टैंक के अंदर ही रहेगा एंड देयर विल बी नो वाटर विच विल बी स्पिलिंग. सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन, they want us to find what is the fraction of the water spilled अगर acceleration is increased by 20%. So this is A. So let us say the new acceleration is A prime. So that will be A plus 20% of A, which will be 1.2 A. So we still have tan theta to be equal to A prime by G. We will take the diagram again. Abhi A prime is the acceleration, this is G. This is the height of the water. This is the height of the tank. This is the length of the tank. तो अभी एक fraction of water, let us say this height, will now get spilt out. क्योंकि ये maximum acceleration से अभी ज़्यादा है तो पानी तो बाहर spill होगा. So therefore, let us say this angle is theta. Okay, so tan theta is, we know from mechanics, this is A prime by G, जिसका value है which is 1.2 into 4 divided by 10 और इसका वैल्यू निकलता है 0.48. तो डायग्राम से हम देख सकते हैं कि tan theta, to determine how much fraction how much height of the volume, how much height of the water has got spilled, so this will be 3 minus y divided by 5. So and this is equal to 0.48. So therefore y is equal to 5 into 0.48 plus 3. So y value comes out to be so this is y is 3 minus 5 into 0.48. So y का वैल्यू है 3 minus 2.4 is 0.6 meters. So this is the height of the volume, height of the water which gets spilled. So हम यहाँ पे initial volume calculate करेंगे, which is 5 into 4 into 2. So this is the initial volume of the water, which is 40 meter cube. So the final volume will be this area of the volume of this trapezium है. ये trapezoid जो है, जो रेड में मैं दिखा रही हूँ, इसका वॉल्यूम होगा फाइनल वॉल्यूम, क्योंकि इतना सा पानी बाहर आ चुका है. सो फाइनल वॉल्यूम इज 3 plus 0.6, which is the value of y, divided by 2. So this is the formula for the volume of a trapezoid, into 5 into 4. So this comes out to be this is 2, 10, so this is 36 meter cube. So therefore volume difference, okay, which is VD, it is initial volume minus final volume, comes out to be 4 meter cube. तो कितना परसेंटेज का fraction, कितना percentage of the water has spilled, that is what they want. So the fraction is the difference divided by the initial volume into 100. So that will be 4 divided by 40 into 100, comes out to be 10%. So 10% of the water will get spilled if we accelerate the tank by increasing its acceleration to 20%. So now we will see the last sub part of the question. तो उनको गेज प्रेशर की वैल्यू चाहिए at the bottom of the front of the tank. So अभी situation ये है कि this is sealed. So we had 2 meters of water and 1 meter of the air. पर क्योंकि अभी ये acceleration equal to 9 meters per second square के साथ आगे जा रहा है, so this obviously water अभी tilt होगा, so we will have this much. Okay, so this is air and this is water. So let us say ये है x and this is y. So if we get to know what is this value of y, उससे हम gauge pressure को determine कर सकते हैं. Let us say we have this angle theta with the horizontal. So we still have tan theta is a by g, and now this is 9 by 10, which is equal to 0.9. So volume of air तो constant रहेगा, so volume of air remains constant क्योंकि ये sealed है, so whatever is the volume of air, that has to remain the same. So we have half into base into the height into the depth, which is 4, should be equal to, so ये है final volume, it should be equal to the initial volume, which is 5 into 1 into 4, क्योंकि accelerate करने से पहले the air column was of a height of 1 meters. So here we can cancel 4 on both sides. We get yx is equal to 10. We also have tan theta from this picture here to be equal to y by x, which is equal to 0.9. So abhi we can calculate the values of x and y and then see what the gauge pressure will be. So we have y by x is equal to 0.9, which gives us y is equal to x into 0.9. तो इसको substitute करेंगे in this equation, x into 0.9 into x is equal to 10. So x squared is equal to 10 by 0.9. तो इससे हमें मिलता है value of x to be 3.33. So we get the value of y to be 3 meters from this very same equation. where y is essentially 10 by 3.33. So now this y is nothing but this total height of the tank. So this becomes our y. तो अभी ये जो है, this is all air, okay? So since this is all air, यहाँ का surface, which we will call as front surface, say this is back surface, okay? So since there is no fluid there, pressure at the front surface is 0. So gauge pressure, which is the back surface, pressure at the back surface minus the pressure of the front surface, is going to be equal to just the length into the density of water into acceleration due to gravity. So this is nothing but the gauge pressure, which is equal to PB is equal to 45 into 10 to the power of 3 pascals, या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 pascals. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.